स्वागत करते हैं, सिर्फ ले वाले यूटी का स्वागत करते हैं, लेकिन आर्टिकल 35 का खिलाफ करते हैं।
स्टैंड चेंज किया अपना, उस पर क्या कहेंगे सर?
अब जो उनकी वो उनकी बात।
He made some 2-3 points. One is of course that he's a positive.
The question is, forget who has made what statement. I am not bothered about. I am not bothered who is making what statement. I am saying that I have a duty to perform. I am in Rajya Sabha representing this. I was representing the state of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, and my voters were from both, because I had the MLAs, Congress MLAs from both the Leh and Kargil. So that takes care of both the region of Ladakh. It is two regions, Leh and Kargil. So I had legislators who voted for me from Kashmir. I had the legislators who voted for me for my parliament seat to be in Rajya Sabha from Jammu. So as if I still represent the voters of Jammu, Kashmir, Leh and Kargil. So I owe a duty to all of them. And what is the Rajya Sabha? Rajya Sabha is here to protect the interest of the state. The Lok Sabha member is here to protect the interest of his or her constituency. But the Rajya Sabha is there to protect the interest of the entire state. So as a representative in the Rajya Sabha, it is my duty to speak on behalf of all the regions, because all the 3 or 4 regions, they were my constituents and they voted for me. This state has been massacred by this government mercilessly. All the laws which were made by the state earlier, they have been scrapped. Article 370 has been diluted. 35 has been taken out, and one of the most famous state in the globe, in the world, Jammu and Kashmir, has been divided into two. We have been dismembered. We have lost our identity. We have lost everything. The people of Jammu Kashmir have lost their identity. Today they are from a UT, not the pride Jammu Kashmir. The pride Jammu Kashmir had a Maharaja and a Prime Minister. The pride Jammu Kashmir had for 18 years the President and the Prime Minister. The pride Jammu Kashmir had till other day the Governor and a Chief Minister. Now today it will have some Lieutenant Governor. So it is shame on the part of this government and the Bharatiya Janata Party.
सर ये भी कहा गया है कि सर आप ये